Yo, what's good? It's RaFitness1013. Like, subscribe, and we back at it. Today we're gonna be cooking shrimp cabbage, cutting up a pineapple, getting ready for the work week. Y'all know how we do it, so here we go. I decided to do cabbage. I'm a big fan of cabbage. Honestly, I love any green. But I decided to do cabbage, something simple, something easy, you know. Actually, I started last week. I had started intermittent fasting, so I figured out a way to do it, you guys. I stressed a lot of I used to do it, but I didn't. I did it when I was on days. I never done it while I was on nights. So I figured out a way to do it, and we're gonna try it out and really just see how it works. So I decided to do cabbage with shrimp. As far as the intermittent fasting, how I decided to do it was I pretty much eat when I wake up to go to work. So that's typically like 5, 6 o'clock or whatever, and I eat, and then I stop eating at 1 to 2, just depending on what time I wake up. So if I wake up at 5, then I will, you know, stop eating at 1 a.m. And if I wake up at 6, then I will stop eating at 2. And pretty much what I'm eating is the stuff that you guys see me meal prep. My smoothie, my fruit, my nuts, and of course my gallon of water. I drink that. I also here recently had bought a detox tea. I'm not sure if y'all familiar with this. It's Gucci Man Rafe. I bought it. I got it sitting over here right now, or whatever. I got it sitting, and I'm gonna drink this tonight before I go to bed. Today is gonna be actually day 3 for me, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I've seen a lot of reviews on that, and I just let you guys know on a weekly basis how it works for me. It's a 14-day cleanse. It costs about $43, $45, somewhere along there. Like I said, it's day 3 for me, and so far, you know, it's coming through for the kid. I don't know exactly, you know, how the results going to be, but we're gonna try it out, and I'll just keep y'all posted. What's today? Today is Sunday. It's my 3rd day. Today makes day 3. So in 4 days, I'll do another video to update you guys on my experience, my week experience, and how it affected me, and how it went, the pros and the cons. You know, I've tried different detox teas. I've tried Total Life Change. I've tried the 4-day cleaner. The 7-day cleaner. And what that is, that's really a pill form. That right there, that was like one of my favorites, honestly. But pretty much what you do is you take 4 pills in the morning, 4 pills at night, and it's a cleanse. You can get it from anywhere, pretty much. GMC, Walgreens. I don't know if they actually have it at Walmart, but that's one of my favorites. Total Life Change. I like their tea, but I really like their NutriBurst, honestly. That I love that. I actually got some right now. So I ordered mine from Millie. I dropped her URL so y'all could maybe order it if you want to try it or whatever. She's a distributor, so that's who I get mine through. So shout out to them as well. But yeah, we're gonna try out that tea. From what I've seen, you know, I looked at some YouTube videos on it, and it seemed pretty well. So I'm gonna keep y'all posted with that and the intermittent fasting. I definitely recommend it. It's intermittent fasting. That's something good. Like, I was doing it, and as you become like, you'll hear me talk about, well, I went from 8 hours to 6 hours. I typically change mine based upon me, how I adjust to it. In the beginning, I do it, 8-hour window. Then I drop it to 6, to take my body through changes. That's the thing that you want to do. You want to take your body through changes. I get a lot of questions, people asking me, what is it? How can I lose weight? How can I lose weight? What is it I need to prep? What is it I need to eat? And the number one thing is having discipline. I would say that. You gotta have discipline, whatever it is you eat, whatever it is you do, or whatever. And that's the main thing. You're not gonna be always on it. Sometimes you're gonna slack off. Sometimes you're gonna not want to do it. Sometimes I'm gonna say, well, I'm gonna cheat today, or you just fall off. But in all reality, the main thing is you just really wanna be able to keep it together. It's okay to fall off. It's okay to have a cheat meal, a cheat day, whatever it is you prefer. But just go back to it. So once you set a goal, just set that for what it is. Here we go. We got cabbage going on. Got a little stretch over here. What I'm gonna do is saute these peppers up a little bit. Wait a little bit till they get almost done. Then I'll cut them in half. Look at this. I don't know if it's gonna be sweet or not, though. I mean, it might, but it don't look like it. Honestly, you don't want to be honest, but it don't look like it. But looks could be deceiving. So, but we gonna, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna see what it's hitting on. Let's see. Maybe if I try this, but it's not sweet at all. But here we go again. Why I tell you guys I don't like to get my food from Walmart because it's a hit and miss. I can't even. Really, I can't. So, don't look like I'm gonna have no pineapple because I gotta go to the store before I go to work tomorrow. But we do got bananas. I still got my smoothie, so that's a plus. But that pineapple, I ain't messing with it. Going, got the bell peppers. One of the topics I want to touch base on today is discipline. I know you guys heard me say something about that in the video, at the beginning of the video. But when you're trying to meal prep, change your lifestyle, diet, whatever it is that you're trying to do, the better you. That's the thing. Whatever it is that you're trying to do, the better you. Do know that you're going to have bad days. You're going to have good days, and you're going to have bad days. So, don't beat yourself up, well, I ate a pork chop, and just say, you know, and I ate a fried pork chop, and, you know, I'm supposed to be on a diet. Don't beat yourself up. You gonna mess up. You're gonna have those weak moments, you know, but you gotta take those moments, take those experiences, take those, oh, you slipped up, and do better. That's all it's about, you know. Every day not gonna be perfect, but as long as you're striving to do better, that's all what matters, you know. I had days, I know I ain't supposed to eat no hot fries, you know, and I go to the store. And I get me a bag of hot fries. You know, you're gonna have those days. You're gonna have those days. So even when you have those days, you know, don't get down, don't get discouraged. You know, you just pick yourself up and you just keep going. Even after those days. But it's really just about how you bounce back. You feel me? Do you mess up and keep messing up? Do you mess up and pick yourself up? You feel me? Go harder? Or do you mess up and just give up? That's the thing. Regardless of what you go through, just don't give up. Just don't give up. So for the people that be asking me all the time, like, what I need to do, like, just set a goal. Whatever it is your goal is, achieve it. And just, you know, don't be so hard on yourself. You know what I'm saying? If you mess up, it's okay. Pick yourself up and start back over. We're not perfect. You know, you gonna mess up. You know, you're gonna have good days, you're gonna have bad days, you know. So that's really what it's all about. Having that discipline to, when you mess up, don't give up. Keep going. So I got the onions, the bell peppers in there, the shrimp in there. You know, it's looking real good. It's looking real good. This is what it came out to look like. Yeah. Ooh. See the shrimp up in there. Got them broken down. I pretty much guess them in. It look good, it feel good, it is good. So let's bring it a little bit closer. And we still got some left over. It's prep ready to go. Only thing I gotta do is warm it up. Eat it. So we done it again. All finished projects as you guys seen. Like I said before, we'll touch back with another video this week as well, and another meal prep for you guys. Give y'all something to go by, a little something. We'll start what I do for me. You do what works for you. You know what I'm saying? But like, subscribe, comment. Go follow my Instagram. Got the website going on. Got t-shirts coming out. RaFitness1013. You already know what time it is. It's time to show out. Let's go.